Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a pancake stand in Heartopia. So we're going to do 1 by 2 here first, and then we will need some low walls. You can color your stand whatever color you'd like, but I'm choosing pink because it is my favorite color. So I think I'm just going to color this pink first. It doesn't really match with the floors, if I'm being honest. So I might change the color to white, maybe. Oh, that means I have to color the underside of it as well. Because you can kind of see that pink protruding a little bit. You know what? That's later's problem. That's fine. Then I'm just going to basically place this all around. You can use any of the wall patterns that you like, obviously. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to rotate? Okay, we will need 2 more. So I'm just going to extend it like this. Rotate it this way and place that there, and place this one over here, the middle. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. Okay, here we go. Let's delete this first, okay? Then we're going to add in a half wall here. Okay, I don't know what to color that one yet. So let's just use the bricks again here. Okay, it just doesn't match for some reasons. And I'm just going to color it this color. It's fine. And then let's adjust these. We're going to place it like this first. Okay, next we need the shelves. So the wooden wall storage, and we're going to rotate it this way so it snatches on to itself on this wall instead of the other wall, because we're going to place a window. So on this wall, guys, and not the other wall, like this. And then we are going to grab this window and we're going to place it down here, like that, I guess. And then for the pancake itself, hopefully you've crafted this, but if you go to living room, you'll get the brick drawer cabinet. And these are basically going to be the pancakes. I'm just going to color them yellow. It doesn't matter what the rest of the colors are, so I'm just going to leave it and not waste my time. Then we will need some floors. And this is going to be the griddle, but I had to color it first, of course, to basically match everything else. So let's use just this one in black. And then let's place it down here first. And then we're going to color the floor. Let's use this one in a dark color as well. And as you can see, it looks like a griddle, super cute. Oh, I also want to get some more shelves here, like the storage shelf. I don't know, just the wooden wall storage. And we're just going to place it down over here. Next, we will need some modular awning. Hopefully you have this. And we're just going to put this on top, like so. If you want to make it a little bit better, you can put flooring first. I might do that. Hold on. Or should I just do this? I don't know, guys. I think I'm just gonna do this and then I'll fix it later. And I'm just going to color it pink, maybe. I might change it because it doesn't match with the rest, in my opinion. It doesn't match with this. So I'm just going to place it there. And I'm just going to put some items here and here, and I'm just going to decorate, and I'll be right back with the finished results. I might change a few things. Here's the finished results. I moved the shelf down a little bit downwards so I can place these items. I added the billboard, and this is the light stand from this area. This is from the building material, and if you go to pillars, you'll see this modular billboard pillar. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!